Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Certified Digital Tax Accountant Fazan Khalid, and in this video lesson I'm going to teach you how to file an extension in 2025 via Free Tax USA. First of all, you need to log into your account and then go there and file an extension. It's filing you will extend, yes, save and continue. You'll ask to submit a few amounts, so you will have until file a start extension. Let's get a little more information about you. Why are you filing an extension? I want to file my returns. Save and continue. Tony Khan under 789, for example. For now, are you being paid to prepare this tax extension? Are you being paid to prepare this tax? No. Select your filing. Which filing gives you the biggest refund? Which filing should I use more information? You can. If do you expect to receive a refund or owe money to the IRS? I expect to owe money if you say, or I expect $0 refund, zero. I expect to owe money, or I expect a refund. Expected refund amount, or you can also say I expect to owe money. For example, expected amount owed, for example, $500. Save and continue. Total tax payment for 2025. We already paid in 2025. For example, let's say 15,000. How much do you want to pay with your extension? Enter the amount you're paying. Make a payment with your extension, but the IRS will charge interest and late payment penalties for any taxes owed that aren't paid by the April 15 deadline. Enter the amount you're paying with your extension. Due is 500. 500. Save and continue. Do you need to file a state extension? You may want to file it or earn money during a state extension as well. Chooses to file an extension for, I say Virginia. Expect to owe money. Expected to owe, for example, $50. Virginia income tax withheld in 2025, such as Virginia withheld from your W2, W2 return. $20. Tax liability 50/50. On the state, you can add a state extension as well. Continue. You can use electronic fund withdrawal, also known as direct debit, to make your federal extension payment. If you choose, would you like to make your federal extension payment using direct debit? Federal extension payment method. You have chosen to pay your 500 federal extension payment by mailing a check or money order with your form 4868 will tell you how to do that. If you want to pay using direct debit, go back at the federal direct debit tax account screen. Based on what you told her, you don't need to make an extension payment. Save and continue. Let's double check your extension info. Final steps. You may continue with yellow warnings, but you should review them before continuing. If you haven't found any issues with your federal extension, no Virginia form or payment due. Virginia grants an automatic extension of time to file your tax return. Based on what you have told us, you don't owe any taxes to Virginia, so you don't need to do anything else for your Virginia extension. When you click continue, it means your extension has been filed. Okay, so that's a process to file a federal as well as state extension, and you have time. If you if you show that you haven't do anything, means you don't due any money to the IRS, so you have time until 15th of October. Understand? So IRS gives you 6 months extension. So that's a way that how to file an extension, and you can file an extension, uh, 15th April or before 15th April. Otherwise, you will get a penalty, right? So you don't. You have to pay till 15th April if you have any due amount, because extension is not for due amount, it's for filing. You want to file delay. Okay, so that's why we take extensions. Until then, take a very good care of yourself. I'm signing off from here. I'll meet you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.